Welcome to Scrape Genius. Attention resellers, here we gonna show you how you can set tools page access limit for a single user. To do this, simply sign in your reseller account on installed tool. Now look at top in header section, you'll find user access button, simply click on it. In this section you can see your registered users or customers, and here you can set the tool access limit for any user. To do this, simply find your user's email address and click on Edit Access Limit button. Here you can set tool access limit. You can recheck the user email in the top. In search input you can search any tool. You can select any tool from the displayed tool list. After selecting tools, simply click on Save button to provide the selected tool to your user. Once you set access limit, simply log out your account and navigate to your project directory and remove the node modules folder from it. After, make your project zip file and give it any name and share it to your user. Now when user download your zip and runs the application, then he will sign in their account on the tool. After, he can only see the tools which you have allowed him, and other tool will block him to use it. When he will open blocked tools such as Google Maps Scraper, then he will see access denied pop-up. Now if he want to unblock this tool, then he will contact to support, then you or your team should need to connect him by taking their computer access. For this you can use AnyDesk or UltraViewer. Now on the user's computer you need to sign in your reseller account. And go to user access panel and find user's mail address, and again edit the tool access limit by adding another tool. Then save and log out your account from user's computer. Now when user again sign in, then he can access the provided tool easily. Thank you for watching.